In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Charger key fob. This Charger was used back in 2006 and 2007, and it takes just one of these CR2032 batteries. You can change the battery yourself at home. It's really easy. Just pick one of these up. If you want to get one online, I will leave a link in the description to get one on Amazon. And they're just a couple of bucks. And then all you need is a flathead screwdriver. First thing we're going to do is locate the little slot on the seam between the two halves of the key fob right there. You can take something like a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and just gently twist. Twist until you hear a little click, and you can see now that there's a little bit of an opening here. I'm going to put my flathead screwdriver in, continue to turn gently until I can pull it apart with my fingers. Go ahead and set this to the side. Carefully remove this rubber component. Under there's the circuit board. We're going to want to be careful with that. Set that to the side, and now we have our battery right there. Just going to come from the side and lift the battery up from underneath it, and there we go, CR2032. Make sure your new battery goes face down, positive side down, and then you can just click it into place like that. Go ahead and set this back on until you feel that it's secure. Lastly, we're just going to click the face of the key fob back on. And once that's done, you're all set, you're ready to go. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you want more information on changing the batteries for key fobs from any maker model, go ahead and check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel or visit fobbattery.com. Thank you so much for watching.